Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on vibration in notification reminder in our Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for notification reminders, we have to go to Settings, then in Notifications we have Advanced Settings. And in here we have Notification Reminders. By default it's turned off, but if we want to change things, we have a few options in this menu. We want our vibrations to be on, so when our notification will remind us that we have a notification, it will vibrate. And that's basically it. No need to save, just back out and it's done. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.